Africa's jungles and forests are alive with colour, sound and movement, and much of that magic comes from its birds. From tiny, fast-flying sunbirds to powerful eagles, African jungle birds play an important role in nature and culture. They help spread seeds, control insects, and bring music to the forest every day. The rich bird life of African jungles. African jungles, also called tropical rainforests, are found in places like the Congo Basin, parts of West Africa, and coastal regions of East Africa. African fish eagle, found near rivers and lakes in forest areas. This bird is famous for its loud, proud cry. It hunts fish with sharp claws and is a symbol of strength in many African cultures. 5. These forests are warm, wet and full of tall trees, perfect homes for many bird species. Some birds live high in the treetops while others stay close to the forest floor. Each bird has a special job in keeping the jungle healthy. Famous birds of the African jungle. 1. African grey parrot. This is one of the smartest birds in the world. It has grey feathers and a red tail and is known for copying human speech. In the wild, it eats fruits, nuts and seeds and helps spread plant life across the forest. 2. Great blue turaco. With bright blue and green feathers, this bird looks like it belongs in a painting. It moves sunbirds. These tiny birds shine with metallic colours like green, purple and gold. They drink nectar from flowers just like hummingbirds and help pollinate plants. Sounds of the jungle! Sky African jungle birds create a natural orchestra. Early in the morning, the forest fills with whistles, chirps and calls. Each bird has its own voice to warn of danger, attract a mate or mark territory. This bird music is one of the most beautiful parts of jungle life. Why these birds matter. Birds are very important to the jungle. They spread seeds and grow new trees. They eat insects that could harm plants. They show us if the environment is healthy. If birds disappear, the forest becomes weaker. Threats to African jungle birds. Sadly, many birds are in danger because of deforestation, cutting down trees, illegal pet trade, climate change. Protecting forests also protects the birds that live in them.
Conclusion.
The birds of the African jungle are more than just beautiful creatures. They are guardians of the forest. Their colours light up the trees, their songs bring life to the air, and their work keeps nature balanced. By protecting African jungles, we protect these amazing birds and the future of the planet. Quietly through trees and feeds on fruits. Its soft call is often heard in deep forests.